Hey folks, I'm so glad you are here. Let me ask you a quick question. Do you want to start a career in cybersecurity but not sure where to begin? Well, don't worry. I have created this course to help you get started right away. Yep, I am Imran Afzal and I have partnered with cybersecurity expert Hasnan Mahmood to bring you a practical, beginner-friendly course that prepares you for ISC2 certification. I hold a bachelor's and master's from Baruch College, and I have worked in IT for over 25 years in New York City. Now, Hasnan brings years of experience in cybersecurity, ethical hacking, and compliance. So you will be learning real-world skills, not just the theory. In this course, we will cover essential topics like security concepts, risk management, network security, access control, code of ethics, and much, much more. You will also get quizzes, downloadable resources, and hands-on exercises to help you truly understand and apply what you learn. Whether you're just starting out or looking to grow your IT career, this course is the best that you could find out there. Why? Because I have proven reputation for teaching millions of students and getting them the job of their dreams. Yep. So let's secure your future and let's keep learning together.